Students, this is 158th maths class. In this class, I am going to explain more problems on parametric differentiation. So, right, let's go for one more question, students. Let us go for one more question in parametric. The question is x is equal to 4t, y is equal to 4 by t, x is equal to 4t, y is equal to 4 by t. So let us differentiate this. So write solution dx by dt, constant into function, keep that 4 as it is, How much is differentiation of t, students? Differentiation of t is 1. Why differentiation of t is 1? It is denominator variable with respect to variable, which is with respect to variable t. It is 1, right? So dx by dt, it is 4. dx by dt 4. So dy by dt. So y is equal to, it looks like quotient form, student. It is looking like in the quotient form, but quotient tool not required. So you write that, you take that 4 by t as 4 into 1 by t. 4 into 1 by t. Differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. How much is differentiation of 1 by x minus 1 by x square? Constant into function. Keep the constant as it is. So dy by dt. Keep that 4 as it is. Clearly it is 1 by x. Constant into function. Keep the constant as it is. Differentiate 1 by t. So 1 by t. Differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. So that is minus 1 by t square. So write that neatly once. So dy by dt is minus 4 by t square. Now let's write dy by dx. So dy by dx. So tell me dy value minus 4 by t square by, so dx is dx value 4. Clearly this 4 is in denominator, students. 4. Where we written this 4 in the denominator. This 4 is in numerator. It cancels. So write minus 4 by t square into 1 by 4. This 4 is in denominator because it is this 4 is dx value. It must be in the denominator. So write 4 get cancels. Answer is minus 1 by t square. Carefully write. Answer is minus 1 by t square. So next let's go for one more question. Let us move on to one more question. So write x is equal to cos theta minus cos 2 theta. So y is equal to sin theta minus sin 2 theta. Minus sin 2 theta dx by d theta, right? So dx by d theta. So now differentiate cos theta, students. Differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta. Now you differentiate cos 2 theta. Again power base angle. Power is 1. First you differentiate cos, then go inside. Differentiation of cos is minus sin. Minus into minus plus sin 2 theta. Go inside. Cos over. We have 2 theta. If it is only theta, differentiation of theta would have become 1. Need not to do that. We need not to do that. Here we have 2 theta constant into function. Write that 2 as it is. So So differentiation of theta is 1. Differentiation of theta is 1. Write that neatly once. dx by d theta minus sin theta plus 2 sin 2 theta. Now you differentiate that second equation, students. You think of differentiating second one. Y theta dy by d theta. So dy by d theta. So differentiation of sin theta is cos theta. So differentiation of sin theta is cos theta minus. First you differentiate sin, then go inside. Differentiation of sin is cos 2 theta. Still go inside. Sin is cos 2 theta is 2 into 1. 2 theta constant into function. Write that 2 as it is, differentiate theta 1. Write this neatly once. So dy by d theta cos theta minus 2 cos 2 theta. So dy by dx is equal to, so tell me dy value, cos theta minus 2 cos 2 theta by dx value minus sin theta plus 2 sin 2 theta. This is required dy by dx. This is required dy by dx. Let's go for one more question, students. Let us move on to one more question. So write. Let us go for one more question. So write x is equal to, if x is equal to a into theta plus sin theta, a into theta plus sin theta, so y is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta, a into 1 minus cos theta. Prove that dy by dx equals tan theta by 2. Prove that dy by dx is equal to tan theta by 2. Look at that 3 mark question, students. The answer is having theta by 2. Where actually that theta by 2 can be seen? Where we see where that theta by 2 can be seen. So it comes, we can see theta by 2 only in half angle formulas. First you complete differentiating, after that you use half angle formulas, so you will get that answer. Answer only tells us, answer only inform us to use half angle formulas. So come to this, students, solution. Dx, x theta, on left side we have x, right side theta. Dx by d theta, dx by d theta, a into, so differentiation of theta is 1 because denominator variable with respect to variable, denominator variable 1 plus differentiation of sin theta is cos theta. Differentiation of sin theta is cos theta. Again theta is 1. Again you can think of differentiating theta. It is 1. Cos theta 1. So this is dx by d theta. You come to dy by d theta. Y theta. Y with respect to theta. So dy by d theta. Y with respect to theta. Dy by d theta. A into constant a into. So differentiation of 1 is 0. Differentiation of 1. Constant. How much is it? Constant into function. A as it is. Keep that A as it is. You think of differentiating 1 minus cos theta. Differentiation of 1 is 0. 0. Cos theta is minus sin theta. Differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta. Minus of minus plus sin theta. Plus sin theta. Now you write dy by d theta. dy by d theta a sin theta, a sin theta. You write dy by dx now. So dy by dx, tell me dy value a sin theta by dx value a into 1 plus cos theta. A get cancels. Now you use half angle formulas. Sin theta. What is sin theta? Tell me half angle formula for sin theta, students. 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. 1 minus cos theta. You tell me half angle formula for 1 minus cos theta. 2 sin square. 2 sin square theta by 2. 1 minus cos theta. 2 sin square theta by 2. 1 plus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta. 2 cos square. So theta by 2. 1 plus cos theta. 2 cos square theta by 2. For minus it is sin square. For minus you use sin square. For plus you use cos square. Right? Use half angle formulas. Sin theta. What is sin theta? So 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 by 1 plus cos theta. What is 1 plus cos theta? 2 cos square theta by 2. 2 cos square theta by 2. 2 get cancels. Cos square. Cos square. One of the cos term get cancels. One of the cos term is get cancels. Remaining sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2. What is sin by cos? Tan theta by 2. So tan theta by 2. So we got therefore dy by dx is equal to so tan theta by 2. You solve one more question of the same type. Let us solve one more question of the same type. So next question is next question is x is equal to a into theta minus sin theta. Y equals a into 1 plus cos theta. A into 1 plus cos theta. Differentiate that, students. So differentiate that. Solution. So dx by d theta. Dx by d theta. Dx by d theta. Constant into function. Constant into function. Keep that a as it is. A as it is. You think of differentiating this quantity. Differentiation of theta is 1 minus differentiation of sin theta is cos theta. Sin theta is cos theta. Again theta is 1. Need not to write theta. Denominator variable. Differentiation of denominator variable is 1. Differentiation of denominator variable is 1. Now you differentiate that. So dy by d theta. Constant into function. Constant into function. Keep the constant as it is. So now differentiate the function. Differentiate the 1 plus cos theta. A as it is. Differentiate 1 plus cos theta. Differentiation of 1 is 0. Cos theta is minus sin theta. So tell me dy by d theta. So plus into minus minus a sin theta. Right? Dy by dx. So dy by dx is minus a sin theta by a into 1 minus cos theta. Minus a sin theta by a into 1 minus cos theta. A get cancels. Minus, tell me half angle formula for sin theta, students. 2 sin theta by 2. 2 sin theta by 2. Cos theta by 2. 1 minus cos theta. 2 sin square theta by 2. 2 get cancels. Sin get cancels. Sin. cos theta by 2 by sin theta by 2. What is cos by sin? Cot. Cos by sin it is cot. So 10 divided by dx. So minus cot theta by 2. Minus cot theta by 2. Let's go for solving one more question of the same type. Let us go for solving one more question of the same type. So next question is x equals a secant theta, y equals b tan theta. X equals a secant theta, y is equal to b tan theta. So you differentiate the students, it's so easy. You differentiate it, it's so easy. So right. So dx by d theta, dx by d theta, constant into function. Keep the constant as it is. A. So differentiation of secant theta is secant into tan. Secant theta into tan theta. Again theta is 1. Again theta is 1. How much is differentiation of secant, students? Secant into tan. Secant into tan. That is dx by d theta. So a into secant into tan. You come to the second one. Second one. So y. So y equals b tan theta. Y equals b tan theta. So dy by d theta. So dy by d theta, b into constant into function, b into differentiation of tan theta is secant square theta. Differentiation of tan theta is secant square theta. So dy by, so d theta, b secant square theta, b secant square. Let's find dy by dx, students. So dy by dx, that is b secant square theta by a secant theta tan theta. So I think secant theta get cancelled. Secant getting cancelled. B by a into what is secant theta? Secant means 1 by cos. Secant means 1 by cos. 1 by cos theta by what is tan theta? Tan theta means sin by cos. Sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta. I think cos get cancels. Cos getting cancelled. 1 by sin theta. 1 by sin means cosec. So b by a 1 by sin is cosecant theta. 1 by sin is cosecant theta. Therefore, so dy by dx is so b by a cosecant theta. B by a cosecant theta. B by a cosecant theta. So let us solve one more question, students. Let us solve one more question. So write there. Let us solve one more question. So x is equal to a into cos theta plus theta sin theta y equals a into sin theta minus theta cos theta. So right, look at this simple question, students. So I think prove that dy by dx equals so tan theta. Prove that dy by dx equals tan theta. So let us solve this question. It's easy question. Solution. Dx x theta. We have x on left side, theta on right side. Dx by d theta, constant into function, keep that constant as it is, a. Differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta plus differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta. Carefully observe students, product of two functions. Theta is variable. Variable means function. Sin theta is function because it's having theta. Between these two we have into product rule. You must apply product rule. If there is a product symbol between two functions, applying product rule is must. So clearly it is in product form. If you forget to apply product rule, it is not correct. So you should not differentiate. Differentiation of theta 1, differentiation of sin theta is cos theta. It's not correct way. If functions are in product form, so usually we differentiate such functions by using product rule. Product rule. You apply product rule. UV rule. UV. Keep that U as it is. Theta. Differentiation of sin theta is cos theta plus sin theta is cos theta plus. Keep that sin theta as it is. Sin theta into differentiation of theta is 1. So differentiation of theta is 1. So right, look at this students, minus sin theta plus sin theta get cancels. Multiply by a dx by d theta. A theta cos theta. A into theta into cos theta. A theta cos theta. Similarly, this students, how much will be the dy by d theta? It should be a theta sin theta. On dividing we will get tan theta. So right. Now I go for differentiating that. Now I differentiate that. So dy by d theta. So dy by d theta constant into function. Constant into function. So right, a as it is. Differentiation of sin theta is cos theta. Cos theta minus. I must apply UV rule. Before applying UV rule, you maintain bracket for minus. If that bracket is not maintained, it leads to wrong answers. You are going to get wrong answers from that. Minus, maintain bracket because that minus applies. Whatever the terms we are going to get on applying product rule for these two. On applying product rule for this, maintain bracket, UV rule, theta as it is. Differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta. Cos theta is minus sin theta plus V as it is. Keep that cos theta as it is. Into differentiation of theta with respect to theta 1. Okay students, dy by d theta. So a into cos theta multiplied by minus into minus plus theta sin theta minus into plus minus cos theta get cancels. Multiply by a. So dy by d theta multiply by a theta sin theta. A theta sin theta. Finally you write dy by dx. So tell me quantity related to dy. Dy value a theta sin theta by dx value. Here is dx value a theta cos theta. A theta sin theta by a theta cos theta. A theta get cancels. Sin theta by cos theta. What is sin by cos? Tan theta. It is tan theta. So we got the answer. I hope you understood students. So we shall meet in the next class. So for some more problems. Thank you.